Okay, I'm gonna do a quick video, like really quick. I was having just another kind of upgrade for the truck. You know, this was a brand new lift system. I live in the Pacific Northwest. I live right at the ocean. We have a lot of salt air and water and stuff. Stuff rusts really fast here. I mean, these lift blocks are brand new, and I didn't have these coated. They just rusted right out. Everything else is pretty good though. So couldn't stand staring at this. I was looking into getting the dual Fox, but it's like 500 and some bucks. So I did find there was no specific kit for it, but literally I found this Fox steering stabilizer, which fit perfectly for square body and everything. I was having a steering problem before. You can actually see it. The boot was kind of pinching a little bit here because at full compression, you know, trying to turn, I guess, right, this would get pinched up in here and actually hold me up, so I couldn't get the full turn out of it. Obviously the Fox is built a little bit better. It doesn't need the boot, and now I have actually more turning room that way anyway. It's got plenty of room to go to the left, but I've got more room, and so I can turn just a little bit sharper. Plus it looks better, and it's Fox. I want to say it was like 185 or something. Fox shocks are just not cheap, but I have the part number right here. Let's see if we can get it to focus. I don't know if it'll focus on that. And I'll leave a link in the description where I got it below. I did just get it on Amazon, but man, it was a good upgrade. And since they didn't say that they had any single shock kits for this square body, basically any GM front axle, early years, this is what I did, and it worked great and it fit great. Super stoked, super happy, love the look. Happy to be done with the rest. I mean, it kind of sucks because this thing's, you know, pretty much brand new, like works wise, but whatever. That's my upgrade. Hope you enjoy the video. Later.